Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Pink Boy time. Like always, XRP Day. Enjoy with us the global future. Welcome back guys to another crypto day. And what's going on? The entire coin market cap, it's green. Looks wonderful. I can't remember that we had this scenario. XRP by 19 cents. Unfortunately, Theta took the third place of the coin market cap. This means XRP is on place number 4, unfortunately. Ethereum with its $219 looks not so bad, is strong above $200. And Bitcoin $9,429 probably is the indicator or gives everybody the hope that Bitcoin maybe will go up to 9,500 at least, or up to 10,000, so that every coin hopes to raise up and actually every coin go up in the next coming days. So what's pretty cool, the entire coin market cap with 262 billion looks a kind of strong. Bitcoin dominance only, still I say again, only 66%. Usually by this kind of coin market cap, the Bitcoin dominance should be higher. But there is some other forces what pushing the market. It's not more Bitcoin, looks not like this. Looks the other coins, the altcoins pushing up with more financial power. Probably is Theta, because Theta really great move is by $1 is awesome. We really should watch this coin. Maybe we will see if it goes up or it will have a hard pullback. Nobody can tell, but everybody knows the crypto market is very unpredictable. So guys, just let's see if we have any updates for today. What could affect the crypto market? And I find this article pretty interesting. We can connect it to the Chinese cryptocurrency. Everybody knows, it's everywhere in the news, that China wants to present a government crypto digital coin. IMF deputy pushes for synthetic central banks digital currency. Synthetic central banks digital currency are either public or private, but both Thompson Mancini-Griffoli recently explained why government should try them. And maybe this could be our answer to China. Thompson Mancini-Griffoli of the IMF recently made the case of synthetic central bank digital currency. Synthetic CBDC would involve private companies issuing digital currency backed by the central bank. According to Mancini, they allow private companies to maximize innovation with regulatory frames trusted by the public consumers. In general, I really like this idea because this really could affect the crypto market positive. One recent episode of the Money Movement with Circle CEO Jeremy Tommaso Mancini-Griffoli, Deputy Division Chief, Monetary and Capital Markets Department of the International Monetary Funds, put forward the idea of synthetic central bank digital currency. It's an idea the IMF has been kicking around for over a year. A synthetic central bank digital currency is private-public partnership where the private sector issued a liability that it used by you and I to purchase asset for payment, explained Mancini, but the liability is full backed by the central bank reserves. And this sounds really great. If they could turn this idea in reality, this would be a big asset for the entire crypto market. And then I'm pretty sure trillions will move in the whole market. And this definitely could be the answer for China, guys, because we really have to do something. We cannot sit and wait, don't do anything. If China releasing their coin, their crypto coin, but is backed up by the government, they're taking over probably the entire market. So we cannot sleep. We have to do something. We have to present something what is approved by the government to stay even with China. And here's a clip what is a little bit older but was pretty cool, how Brett Garlinghouse explained how Ripple and XRP will handle the future trillion-dollar market.
Well, then the alternative argument is you need a centralized you can't have it decentralized, that it actually benefits from efficiencies. I would assume you come down in the latter.
Yeah, I mean, for sure. I think anytime you can do something without that central counterparty, you're going to reduce friction, which is measured by time, cost, speed. So by removing that central counterparty and going direct from point to point, you can skip going from the Bank of David to the Bank of Morgan to the Bank of Mike. You just go directly to the Bank of Mike.
So if the immediate opportunity is efficiencies in this area of the actual kind of nuts and bolts sort of plumbing of the financial system, how does that relate to the value of the Ripple tokens or of the Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies? They're taking on a separate life, it seems, from the future of adoption of this technology.
It's a great point, and I think one of the things we all have to remember is that the value of a token over the long term is really going to be derived by its utility. What problem is it solving? How big is that problem? How many customers do you have? There's no question there's a lot of hype in this system, and I don't actually think that's a good thing. For Ripple, we use this digital asset called XRP to settle liquidity needs between banks. So today there's $27 trillion parked at different banks around the world so they can make payments between each other. Our view is you can use a digital asset like XRP to do that in real time. Because XRP has been so efficient, it settles a transaction about 3 seconds compared to Bitcoin.
So it just passes through that currency for that period of time.
That's correct.
Yes, and this was an awesome time. XRP at this time was pretty high, and this is a good memory for us, and this should push our motivation. XRP is definitely the future, and XRP will make its way, but probably it will take a while. But how you see the entire crypto market right now and the stock market is struggling, so we have to wait a little bit. Guys, I'm done for today. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll catch you by my next video. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.